If you love coconut shrimp, here are 3 different, but very good coconut shrimp recipes to try. Coconut beer batter fried shrimp with pineapple salsa. 2 eggs 1–3/4 cups all-purpose flour 3/4 cup beer 1 tablespoon baking powder 2 lb. Medium shrimp, peeled and deveined coconut oil 3 cups grated coconut. Seasoning mix. 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper 2 to 1/4 teaspoon salt 1 to 1/2 teaspoon sweet paprika 1 to 1/2 teaspoon black pepper 1 to 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder 3/4 teaspoon onion powder 3/4 teaspoon dried thyme 3/4 teaspoon dried oregano. Thoroughly combine the ingredients for the seasoning mix in a small bowl and set aside. Mix 1–1/4 cups of the flour, 2 teaspoons of the seasoning mix, baking powder, eggs, and beer together in a bowl, breaking up all lumps until it is smooth. Combine the remaining flour with 1 to 1/2 teaspoon of the seasoning mix and set aside. Place the coconut in a separate bowl. Sprinkle both sides of the shrimps with the remaining seasoning mix. Then hold each shrimp by the tail, dredge in the flour mixture, shake off excess, dip in batter and allow excess to drip off. Coat each shrimp with the coconut and place on a baking sheet. Heat deep fryer to 350 F. Drop each shrimp into the hot oil and cook until golden brown, approximately 1/2 to 1 minute on each side. Do not crowd the fryer. Drain on paper towels and serve immediately. Lay shrimp on large lettuce leaves and serve with pineapple salsa dip. Garnish with lemon, orange, or lime wedges. Pineapple salsa. 1 cup finely chopped fresh pineapple 1/3 cup chopped red onion 1/4 cup finely chopped fresh cilantro 1/4 cup pineapple preserves or apricot pineapple preserves 1 tablespoon finely chopped seeded fresh jalapeno chili 1½ tablespoons fresh lime juice 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Combine ingredients and gently toss. Coconut shrimp kebabs with island coconut salsa. 1 lb. Shell on shrimp, uncooked 1/3 cup coconut milk, canned and sweetened 2 tablespoons lime juice 1 garlic clove, crushed 1 teaspoon red chili peppers, seeded and minced 1 teaspoon ground cumin 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander 1/4 teaspoon ground white pepper 12 to 18 fresh pineapple chunks. Island coconut salsa. 1 cup flaked coconut 1 cup chopped cilantro 1 cup chopped green onion 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice 2 tablespoons minced fresh ginger 1 to 2 teaspoons minced garlic clove 1/2 teaspoon sea salt 1/2 cup olive oil or macadamia nut oil. Peel and devein shrimp retaining tails, set aside. Combine coconut milk, lime juice, garlic, red peppers, cumin, coriander and pepper, pour over shrimp. Marinate no more than 1 hour. Thread shrimp and pineapple chunks on skewers. Broil or grill 3 minutes per side, or until shrimp are done. Arrange coconut shrimp on large lettuce leaves. Serve with island coconut salsa on the side. Caribbean shrimp run down. 1 pound shell on shrimp, uncooked 3 tablespoons lime or lemon juice 3 cups coconut milk 1 large onion 3 cloves garlic finely chopped hot pepper to taste 1 lb. Tomatoes, peeled and chopped 1 tablespoon. Vinegar 1 tea, fresh chopped thyme sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Peel and devein shrimp retaining tails. Pour the lime juice over the shrimp and set aside. Cook the coconut milk in a heavy frying pan until it is oily. Add the onion, garlic and cook until the onion is tender. Add the hot pepper, tomatoes, salt and pepper, thyme and vinegar. Stir and cook very gently for 10 minutes. Drain the shrimp, add the other ingredients and cook until the shrimp is tender, about 10 minutes. Serve hot over rice. Preparation time, 30 minutes.